Now this is my kind of museum.
So we spent last night cocooned in the loveliest attic Airbnb just up there, and because we came in so late we did not realize that there was that outside. Biggest cows I've ever seen in my life. What the hell?
I love how Tassie weather forecast is even worse than it is in Melbourne, because currently it's meant to be -4 degrees and like raining, and then it is just the most beautiful day. Can you hear that? The sea's just making the best noise. If you know your way around Sri Lanka a little bit, Launceston reminds me a lot of Nuwara, or like what Nuwara could be, because it is just beautiful. The climate is lovely. It's a gorgeous sunny day. I'm guessing it's not always sunny, especially in winter. That place right there is incredible. The food was actually just so good. Someone just paid for us, like our entire bill. Someone just paid it, and then they have like this whole system where they pay forward coffees for those who can't afford it. And I think that's just like the loveliest idea. Stumbled across the place where James Boag's beer has been made since 1881. Beer is made of these seeds, and they're actually edible and delicious.